Hi guys, it's Khushi and today's video is a Fevikwik promo pack review plus haul. If you want to see how I got this Fevikwik art supplies for a cheaper rate, then watch the video till the end. In this promo pack you get 7 art supplies. So we'll start off with the first one. So this is the sunflower kit, which is of 10 shades. This consists of 10 bottles of acrylic paint. So when you'll open the kit, you will get to see this shade mixing chart. So this chart is basically like a guide to how you can make different colors using the 10 colors available in the pack. So they have mentioned 12 different colors that can be created using the colors given in the kit. So when you'll flip the chart, you will get to see this drawing which you can trace on a canvas board and also on a drawing paper which is about 200 to 300 GSM. So they have also mentioned a reference image and some instructions that you can follow to recreate the painting. So now we will see what other acrylic color shades are available in the market. If you buy individual bottles of this acrylic color, it will cost you around 20 rupees for 15 ml bottle. You can pause the video and take a screenshot if you want to. Now let's move on to the color shades available in this sunflower kit. So the first bottle that we have is a 15 ml which is individually priced for 20 rupees and is in the shade lemon yellow. Now let's see how the shade looks like. As the name suggests, it is a very light shade of yellow. The name of this shade is light green 12. The next one is crimson 04. Then we have black 02. Next we have burnt sienna 01. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Then we have the ultramarine blue 23. The next one is white 27. Then we have deep brilliant purple 64. Next one is sap green 21. Then lastly we have this very bright color which is orange 17. These are all the 10 shades that we get in the sunflower kit. If you want to buy the sunflower kit only, then also the link is in the description. Do check that out. And the kit MRP price is 200 rupees for 150 ml. And also this is not at all a sponsored video. Next thing that we have is this lilac kit. So you get 6 shades of acrylic paint in this kit. The shades are also written on the kit. So the MRP price of this kit is 80 rupees and this is 60 ml kit. So when you'll open the box, you will get to see these bottles which are comparatively smaller in size to the previous one. So the bottles in the lilac kit are of 10 ml and the previous ones in the sunflower kit were of 15 ml. So this is the size difference. The bottle in the right hand is of sunflower kit and in the left hand is of lilac kit. In this kit you will get 6 shades which are lemon yellow, crimson, ultramarine blue, black, white and sap green. So these are all the 6 shades available in this kit. And if you want to buy the lilac kit only, I will also leave a link of that in the description. Next kit that we have is of pearl metallic colors. So this is the 4 shades kit. The MRP price of this kit is 90 rupees for 40 ml. So this contains 4 bottles of 10 ml each and all the shades are written on the kit. So when you'll open the kit, you will see these 4 tiny bottles of the pearl metallic colors. You can see how tiny the bottle is. So this bottle is of 10 ml and individually it is priced for 25 rupees. So the first shade that we have is the pearl metallic rust. Second shade that we have is the pearl metallic silver. Then we have the pearl metallic copper and the pearl metallic gold. If I'll get the individual link of this pearl metallic kit, then also I will add it in the description. So check the description for sure. So the next thing that we have are 3D outliners. This one is an assorted pack and contains 10 shades. So when you flip the box, you will get to see some instructions. So firstly, there are some instructions on how you can use these 3D outliners on a fabric cloth. These 3D outliners can also be used on earthen pots, wood, glass, etc. This pack contains 10 shades. The MRP price of this pack is 250 rupees for 200 ml. So this pack contains 10 shades of 3D outliners, out of which 5 are the glitter ones and the other 5 are regular ones. So these are the regular shades and the other 5 are the glitter shades. So this is how the bottle looks like. This retails for 25 rupees if you buy this individually from a local stationery shop. So the net quantity of this bottle is 20 ml. This one is the regular black 708. Next we have regular red 701. Then we have the regular yellow 703. The fourth regular shade that we have is white 707. Last regular shade that we have is light green 704. Now let's see how the glitter shade looks like. So this is a glitter shade bottle which is different from the previous one. So the first shade that we have is Rangoli 407. So this also retails for 25 rupees if you buy this individually. Again, this is a 20 ml bottle. So as the name suggests, there are different colors of glitter in the product. Now let's open the cap and see how the bottle looks like from the inside, how you can apply 3D outliners on the surface. So basically this bottle has a tip from where the product comes out. This is how it looks like. So this tip is given for easier application of the product on the surface. So the next shade that we have is glitter red 405. Again, the same details are written on the back. I'm not going to open the product because the product is coming out of the bottle, because the bottles are fully filled. You can easily see how the shade looks like from the clear bottles. So the next glitter shade that we have is silver 402. Also comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see a complete detailed video and how you can use these colors on different surfaces. Next up we have the glitter gold 401. And lastly we have the shade that I like the most. This is the glitter green 403. So these are all the shades that we get in this 3D outliners pack. So the next product that we have are the glass colors. This box contains 6 shades and the shades are water based. At the back we have some instructions for use. They have written how you can use these colors on glass, and also they have mentioned the things you shouldn't do. Glass colors contains 6 bottles of 10 ml each and 1 black outliner tube of 15 ml. The MRP price of this kit is 85 rupees for 75 ml of product. Now let's see what all shades are available in this kit. Also on the front side of the box they have created this design. Actually this effect is supposed to come out of these glass colors when used on glass. So when you'll open the box, there's one more box inside it which contains 1 black outliner tube. So this glass outliner is specially prepared to prevent the color from spreading across the design outlines. The MRP price of this outliner is 20 rupees if bought individually. So when you'll open the box, you'll get to see this tip which they have given to attach to the tube. So this is how the outliner tube looks like. This is also water based. So there are some instructions given on the pack and also on the tube to how you can use this. So this tube is not supposed to be kept open because I think it will dry out, and that's the reason they have also given the cap and also the applicator. So if you want to use that, you simply have to attach the tip thing to the tube, and after the usage you have to close it with the cap. So this product is specially given for easier application of the outliner. Now let's have a look into the shades given in this glass color kit. So firstly we have this golden yellow. So this is how tiny the bottle looks like. The consistency of the color is very watery and because of the watery consistency, when you'll open the bottle, the color will start to pop out very easily. So the next shade that we have is brown. So I'm not going to open the bottle because as you saw, if you open it, the color will come out. So the next shade that we have is the pink one. Then after that we have the tomato red. The fifth color that we have is the crystal green. And lastly we have this shade named sea blue. And that's all we get with the glass color kit. For the price that we pay is 85 rupees and I think it's worth it. So moving on to the promo items that we get in this pack. So the promo items are the canvas board and the brush. So the brush that we get in this kit is a 4-numbered round brush from Fine Art. This is how the bristles of the brush look like. I felt they were very soft. And the last thing we get in this promo kit is the canvas board. So this canvas board is of 6 inch by 8 inch. This is a non-stretch canvas and retails for 50 rupees. So these are all the products that we get in this promo kit. So I've inserted this promo pack picture where the MRP is 705 rupees. So now we'll calculate the MRP price of each kit available in this pack. So firstly we have the sunflower kit which MRP price is 200 rupees, lilac kit for 80 rupees, pearl metallic kit for 90 rupees, glass colors for 85 rupees, 3D outliners for 250 rupees, canvas for 50 rupees and the round brush is approximately for 20 rupees. So this totals for 775 rupees. If you buy the promo pack for its MRP price which is 705 rupees, then also it will benefit you, and the promo pack in itself is for a discounted price. So I got this pack for 526 rupees for sale and I saved a total of 250 rupees, which is a great deal. And if you want to buy this promo pack, so the link is in the description, do check that out. And that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And also if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow me on my Instagram, the link is in the description and the ID is mentioned on the screen. So see you in my next video. Bye.